So my name is Marilyn. I'm a student here at Daley College. I'm studying micro-tronics and I'm from the south side of Chicago. I originally wanted to be a welder and I turned myself to mechatronics because once I had my robotics class, it realized me that there's so many more opportunities in mechatronics. I can learn coding, I can also still learn my welding and become a lot more faceted in said career. We're much more advanced than we were even 30 years ago, and the people still that learned 30 years ago are learning the new techniques now. There's always extra opportunities to learn in the manufacturing industry. Nothing stays the same. We got robotics, you have welding, CNC, electrical, and just everything that you could possibly think of. So the opportunities are here. There is no space for you to feel stagnant in your growth. You're always going to be able to find something greater than the place that you're in right now. So come to school and find yourself thriving there.